Hey everyone, it's Bolu Samuel and I'm excited to share a health secret with you, one that's been hiding in plain sight. We all know the benefits of eating healthy, but nature has given us so many powerful remedies that often go unnoticed. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural health to uncover the incredible benefits of banana flowers. Yes, you heard that right, banana flowers. These often discarded gems are a powerhouse of nutrients and offer a surprising range of health benefits. Get ready to unlock a treasure trove of wellness as we explore why you should consider boiling banana flowers and drinking the water. Trust me, your body will thank you. Banana flowers are not just beautiful to look at, they are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, along with fiber and antioxidants. These nutrients help in boosting your immune system, improving digestion, and even reducing inflammation. You can incorporate banana flowers into your diet in various ways, add them to salads, soups, or even stir-fries. The possibilities are endless, and the health benefits are immense. So the next time you see banana flowers at your local market, don't overlook them. Embrace these natural wonders and let them become a part of your journey to better health. Share this secret with your loved ones and spread the joy of good health. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. So, what makes banana flowers so special? You might be surprised to learn that these often overlooked blossoms are a treasure trove of health benefits. Well, for starters, they're packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds are essential for maintaining good health and preventing disease. You hear me talk about antioxidants all the time, and for good reason. They play a crucial role in protecting our bodies from damage. They're like little warriors fighting off those pesky free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause significant harm if left unchecked. Free radicals are linked to all sorts of health issues from aging to chronic diseases, so you want to keep them in check. This is where antioxidants come in, neutralizing these harmful molecules. Banana flowers are particularly rich in flavonoids and tannins, two types of antioxidants known for their potent effects. Flavonoids are especially effective in reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reducing inflammation and boosting your overall health. Regular consumption can lead to improved vitality and well-being. It's like giving your body a powerful shield against the daily wear and tear of life. Imagine having an extra layer of defense that keeps you feeling energetic and youthful. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your antioxidant intake, look no further than the humble banana flower. Incorporate them into your diet through salads, soups, or even teas, and experience the benefits firsthand. Let's talk about gut health, something I emphasize a lot in my practice. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and banana flowers can lend a helping hand. They're a good source of dietary fiber, which acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive system and keeping things running smoothly. Fiber helps prevent constipation, promotes regular bowel movements, and supports a healthy balance of gut bacteria. But there's more. Banana flowers also contain natural compounds that can help soothe the digestive tract. If you struggle with indigestion, bloating, or other digestive discomforts, incorporating banana flower water into your diet might offer some relief. Remember, a happy gut means a happier you. Ladies, listen up. Banana flowers have been traditionally used to support women's health, particularly menstrual health. They contain a type of fiber that can help regulate hormones, which may be beneficial in managing menstrual symptoms. Some women experience heavy bleeding during their periods, and banana flowers have been said to help reduce excessive flow. While more research is needed in this area, the traditional use of banana flowers for menstrual health is promising. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and anxious. Believe me, I get it. While lifestyle changes and stress management techniques are essential, natural remedies like banana flower water can play a supporting role in calming the mind. Banana flowers contain magnesium, a mineral known for its calming effects on the nervous system. Magnesium can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and promote a sense of relaxation. So if you're feeling stressed or anxious, a warm cup of banana flower water might be just what you need to unwind and de-stress. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and banana flowers may have a role to play. They're a good source of soluble fiber which slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can help prevent those sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling energized and then drained shortly after. Additionally, some studies suggest that banana flowers may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for regulating blood sugar levels. If you're looking for natural ways to support healthy blood sugar, adding banana flower water to your diet is worth considering. There you have it, the incredible health benefits of boiling banana flowers and drinking the water. From their potent antioxidant properties to their digestive, menstrual, and mental health benefits, banana flowers are a true gift from nature. I encourage you to give it a try. You can find fresh or dried banana flowers at some Asian grocery stores or online. Simply boil them in water for about 15 to 20 minutes, strain the liquid, and enjoy warm or chilled. Start with a small amount and see how your body feels. Remember, while natural remedies can be incredibly beneficial, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Banana flowers, also known as banana blossoms, are not only nutritious but also versatile in the kitchen. You can incorporate them into various recipes such as salads, soups, and stir-fries, adding a unique flavor and texture to your meals. Their slightly bitter taste can be balanced with spices and other ingredients, making them a delightful addition to your culinary repertoire. Additionally, banana flowers have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in Southeast Asia, for their healing properties. They are believed to help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation, making them a wonderful natural remedy for stress relief. Sharing a cup of banana flower tea with friends or family can be a great way to introduce them to this amazing natural remedy. Keep track of how you feel after incorporating banana flowers into your diet and adjust the amount as needed to suit your body's response. Consistency is key, so try to make it a regular part of your routine for the best results. Embrace the power of banana flowers and discover the positive impact they can have on your overall well-being. Here's to your health and happiness.